Hi guys, so hopefully you're not like me and you skip to this video because the other two videos are also important as well. But let's talk about commission. How do you make commission in this business? I totally get tongue-tied. Let me use an example. Say you bought a pair of shoes, right? For me back in the day, it used to be like high heels, red pumps with my business outfit. And I love them and people are complimenting and I tell them where I got it from. And you go to the store and they have a sale. You should totally get them because they're so comfortable. You're not selling them on it. You are sharing your experience. And that's exactly what you do as a coach. You share your experience, whether it's in person, on social media, and you share the excitement and how you feel because other people are going to want to know, hey, what are you doing? You look so happy. You look so great. I need in on this. And you tell them about what you're doing and then they jump in. So let's say they want to jump in and join you and they spend $100, for example. $100. You earn 25% of that. You get $25 automatically. But the cool thing is, a lot of times they want to continue the programs or they want to continue the shakes or they want to continue the pre-workout because they're just feeling so good. So if they continue that on a monthly basis, you make $25 every month. May not seem like a lot, but when you add those people up, the amount of money will double, then triple. And then they might feel so good, they want to join your team and do the same thing you're doing. So what happens? Then you start to earn team bonuses. So let's say you sign up 2 people that want to join your team because they see how excited you are and they want to do what you're doing. So you can make team volume, and it can get confusing, and I don't want to get you confused in this, but that is another way to make money. And eventually, as you build your business, you could sign people up as discount coaches, and that just means that they're signed up because they want a discount. They don't necessarily want to build a business with it. And that's okay. Not everyone will want to do what you do. You get more people to join your team, and then you start to receive bonuses. So there's like 2-star, 5-star, etc. And I won't confuse you, but you have the potential to earn anywhere from like $50 a week to $500 to $1,000 to $5,000 a week. Guys, the potential is unlimited. Can you imagine what that can do for your family? Even $50 a week, what that can do for you or your family or your kids. So many coaches have been known to grow this to a 6-figure business, and it's life-changing, and it's a reflection of how much work and time you're going to put into this. So let's say you're only going to work part-time 1 to 2 hours a day. Okay, you might be able to get, I don't know, $200, $300 a week. That's like if you're really focused and you know what you're doing. Your income is a reflection on how much effort you put into it. You are your own boss. And it gives you the freedom, and you just feel like you achieved so much. And all of this opportunity has helped me pay for my kids' preschool, both kids' preschool and activities, you know, their swim lessons, their sports, and contribute to the groceries. And you know, it's really nice to be able to do that, and I would want the same for you, and I would help you throughout your journey. So if this is something, and if you're still sticking with me on this, watch the next few videos and let's chat. All right, bye.